All right, so welcome to those of you who are here live. I'm going to go ahead and dive into the first topic that I have here today. So this is a question that was from our YouTube channel. Someone was asking, and this is a question I get a lot, and they were asking, can I enter the United States while I'm going through the National Visa Center process? Am I able to enter the United States and visit even if I am in the middle of this immigration case? So the short answer is yes, you are able to come and visit your fiance or your spouse, depending on what process you're completing. You are able to come and visit while that case is ongoing or while it's pending. Some important things to note, though, is that you would already have to have some kind of valid visa or status for you to be able to come and visit. The most common, likely what you would have for a visit would be something called ESTA if you are in a participating country, or a tourist visa. And so if you already have one of those, then you are able to come to the United States. Something important to understand, though, in addition to having that, you have to also be prepared for questions that you might be asked when you're entering the United States. So when you're entering on ESTA or you're entering on a tourist visa, every entry is what's called discretionary, which means it's up to that immigration officer or agent whether he or she believes you truly are coming to just visit. They don't want you to come and stay and live, because that's not the point of ESTA or a tourist visa. So they will ask you questions, and it can be helpful to have proof. If you have, for example, proof of a job that you have to return to, and be prepared to answer questions and answer questions honestly. If an immigration officer or agent decides that they think that you don't have the right intent, that you're coming here to stay, they can turn you away and send you home. And then the good thing is if you're already in the National Visa Center process, you'll go through that process to be able to do the spouse visa or the fiancé visa to enter the United States. So it's a great question. I get this question all the time, and in different forms. It's worded differently, but hopefully that provides you some clarity around traveling while that application is pending. And again, I invite you to check out our free resource center at immigrationforcouples.com to learn more about the immigration process for couples, and also how to prove your relationship to immigration.